Welcome to our channel. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate provides access to hundreds of games across console, PC, and cloud. Here's how to set it up the simple way. Step 1. Power on your Xbox console or open the Xbox app on your Windows PC. Step 2. Navigate to the Microsoft Store from your console's home screen or app menu. Step 3. Search for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate in the store's search bar. Step 4. Select the Ultimate subscription tier and review what's included. Game Pass for console, PC, cloud gaming, and Xbox Live Gold. Step 5. Click subscribe or join. First-time subscribers often receive promotional pricing for the first month. Step 6. Choose your payment method or add a new credit card to your Microsoft account. Step 7. Review and confirm your subscription purchase by accepting the terms and conditions. Step 8. Once subscribed, access the Game Pass section to browse available games. Download titles directly to your device or play instantly via cloud gaming on compatible devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.